Have you ever stopped to wonder, what does it truly mean to live a healthier lifestyle? Is it simply about shedding those extra pounds, or is there more to it? Being healthy goes beyond the realms of just weight loss. It's about creating a lifestyle that encompasses wholesome nutrition, regular physical activity, and a balanced state of mind. So, how does one transition to such a lifestyle? It's certainly not an overnight process, but with the right steps, anyone can embark on this journey towards a healthier self. First and foremost, it is crucial to understand that this is not a temporary phase or a quick fix. It's about making long-term changes that result in a happier, healthier you. The initial step is to assess your current lifestyle. Identify the habits that are holding you back. Are you indulging in too much junk food? Do you lead a sedentary lifestyle? Do you often find yourself stressed or anxious? Once you have a clear understanding of your current habits, it becomes easier to make the necessary changes. Next, focus on your diet. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. These foods are not just low in calories, but they are also packed with essential nutrients that your body needs. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but rather nourishing your body with the right kind of food. Physical activity is another essential pillar of a healthy lifestyle. Find an activity that you enjoy, be it running, cycling, yoga, or even dancing. The goal is to stay active and make exercise a part of your daily routine. But remember, all these efforts will be futile if you're not in the right state of mind. Managing stress, getting enough sleep, and practicing mindfulness are just as important as eating right and staying active. And lastly, be patient with yourself. Change takes time. Celebrate your small victories and don't be too hard on yourself if you have a bad day. Remember, the journey towards a healthier lifestyle is not a sprint but a marathon. It's about creating a version of yourself that you're proud of. So why not start today? Embrace the journey, the ups and downs, the victories and setbacks, because at the end of it all, the reward is a healthier, happier you. And isn't that worth striving for? So take that first step today. Because the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey towards a healthier lifestyle starts now. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being better than you were yesterday. So start today, start now. Your healthier self is waiting for you.